Good morning, guys. So, welcome to the most important pre market, that too on the expiry date. It's Thursday today. Sorry for making video late. It's already 8 o'clock, 27 minutes. I had my bike ride in the morning. See, that's the beauty of being a full time trader, financial freedom, and all these things. So, we can decide what we can do at what time. So, no one can influence us, right? So, Nifty 50 yesterday was down by 80 points. Bank Nifty was down by 460, 470 points. India Volatility Index was up by 2%. Crude oil was up by 1.5%. Right now, the GIFT Nifty is up 20 points, which is around 25577 minus 25546, which is Nifty Futures around 30 points. So what's next today? Today being expiry. Are we seeing any one-sided expiry or are we seeing a range bound to boring expiry? Before we discuss that, let's go to the previous day. What exactly I said yesterday? Those who are watching my video, making note on my S1, S2, S3, R1, R2 and R3 and the gap zones the previous day close. They will understand how beautifully the views are working. Yesterday was very clear seeing the option chain and seeing the technical analysis on the charts. 25,600 is the resistance. Yesterday market saw a gap up. The first 5 minutes candle is a doji. Then it turned an inverted hammer. Exactly from 25,600 the prices came down to 25,500, then consolidated, went down to 25,400, again consolidated, created few bullish patterns and then turned up to S2. Exactly from S1 it turns down, and exactly from S2 it turns down, exactly from R1 it turns down. This is not magic, this is technical analysis. Today we are not going to discuss on S1 and S2 or support and resistances for the day, not in detail, but you can mark the previous day low as your support, which is 25,378, and the previous day high as your resistance, which is 25,608. So these are your first support and the first resistance. Mark those levels. Those levels should not be broken. I also said, based on the daily time frame, if there is a red candle and then a doji, I consider it as a bearish. This is what I said. You can see one more red candle on the screen. So where are our supports for the week? For today and tomorrow, the support should be somewhere at this line. 25 to 30 to 50 should act as support. We are 200 points away from there. In between, there is 25, 300, 320 type of levels. There is one more support. So markets may take support those levels and turn up. That is possible because the overall trend on the daily time frame and the weekly time frame is still on the upside. So on Nifty Bank, so we got a breakout and so we got a support one day before, but it turned a bearish engulf now. So let's see, the previous day lows should not be broken, both Nifty Bank and Nifty 50 as well. Sectoral indices is mixed. I think consumer durables did well, metals did well. I think IT mildly did well, auto mildly did well. Overall sectoral indices is negative to neutral. Advanced decline ratio 1205, 1720, it is definitely bearish. So FI data, FIs have sold 1,561 crores in cash market. DIs have bought 3,000 crores, which is bullish. FIs have sold, let me check. FIs have sold, yes, sold 2,000 crores in index futures. And FIs have sold, no, they have bought 714. If you see overall, it is again neutral. If you club all these data, cash market and index futures and stock futures, again it's neutral data. Option chain selling in put call options both in the money and out of the money, and there is buying in put options in the money and forced strike prices of out of the money puts. Where is the resistance? When the market opens, 25,500 is the resistance. This is where you have the highest volumes today. So 25,500 and above that, there is a possibility of short covering. Till then, the markets will take resistance at 25,500 levels. US futures today, it is neutral. So what happened yesterday? I think Nasdaq did extremely good. Nasdaq, S&P 500 positive, Dow Jones neutral. So Europe markets, DAX, CAC did well and FTSE neutral. So let's see. Nikkei today is again 0.10 neutral, Hang Seng 1% down, Kospi is positive. What I feel is the data is extremely bearish, no doubt, but somehow I feel whenever the prices test those levels of 25,300 type of levels, there should be a short covering of 200, 300 points on Nifty 50. So I'm expecting short covering from the support levels. I said 300 type of levels. When market comes over there is a possibility of short covering. Overall, on minor time frame like 5 minutes, 15 minutes and 1 hour time frame, trend is down, but a temporary short covering rally is possible. A temporary bounce is possible. If you see US ADR, Infosys is down, ICICI is down, HDFC is down. So data is definitely bearish, guys. So just keep eye on these levels. That is, the previous day close may give you a bounce 25,442 and the previous day lows, which is around 25,379 and 25,300 and 350. That zone keep eye on. From there should be a bounce. So overall for the day, sell on rise, but from the support levels, there should be a bounce, which should be a buy on dip for some time, for 1 hour or 2 hours type of rally is possible. Then again, the markets may turn down. V-shaped recovery is possible. That's what I feel. I hope you like this video. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Have a great day, guys.